Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily create a database as well as collections in MongoDB. So we have installed MongoDB on our Windows 10 operating system. If you want to install, then do refer the link in the description. So after installing, go to Start, type CMD, click on it. Now let's start the MongoDB, that is MongoDaemon. Since we have set the path, we can begin from anywhere on CMD. Press enter. Now this will begin the daemon MongoDB. So we have started it. Now let's go to CMD again. Type CMD here, click on it. This will again open command prompt. Now let's type Mongo and press enter. So here it is. You can see the MongoDB version we installed was 4.4.1. Now let's begin. Herein, let's first see the default databases. Show DBs command is what you need to use to display all the databases. Press enter. Here are the default databases you will always get whenever you will be installing MongoDB for the first time on your system. Now guys, what we need to do, we need to create a new database. So let's say we want to create a database AmitDB. We will use the command use and just type AmitDB. So this is the name of a new database. Press enter. Switch to a DB AmitDB. That means you have successfully created it. Now you would be thinking that since we have created a new database, it would come under this category, under this list, but that won't happen. Let's try. Show DBs. Press enter. Now you can see AmitDB is not here. Why? Because it is empty. Okay, so always remember MongoDB is a document based database. A database in MongoDB consists of collections. Collections consist of documents. So a group of documents is called a collection in MongoDB. Collections you can relate as tables in SQL, and documents you can consider as rows. So MongoDB documents can be related to SQL rows. So now let's begin. It is not visible, the database is not visible here. Why? Because it is empty. We need to create a collection and add documents to it so that it is visible here. Now let's begin. So there are two ways through which you can create a collection in MongoDB. At first we can use the create collection method. Now let's create collection and in brackets add the name of the collection. Let's say my collection name is employee. Now what I'll do, I'll just press enter. On pressing enter, you can see we have created a collection. Now let's view the collections. Show collections, press enter. You can see employee collection, we created it. Now we need to add documents to it because a collection is a group of documents. Now let's add documents under employee collection. db.employee.insert, you need to use the insert method. Now let's add the key value pair. Documents are based on key value pairs. Let's say I'll add name, emp name, key value pair. Let's say it's Emma. Now I'll just close it and that's it. Now let's press enter. That means we have successfully added a document. Now what we'll do, I'll just use the command show DBs, and under this we'll be able to see a database. DB is now visible because we have inserted a document. So guys, we created a collection employee. Now let's create a collection using a different way. That means to create a collection, you don't need to use create collection always. You can straight away use this command and this will automatically insert a document as well as create the collection. So I'll show you db dot, let's say our new collection name is department, db.department dot insert command again. Now let's add the document. The syntax you can consider. Let's say I'll add DPT name, and DPT name I'll add is operations, let's say. Now I'll press enter. Forget the bracket. Here it is, right result inserted. That means we have successfully inserted. So guys, we created two collections. I hope you remember employee and department. Let's see all the collections. Show collections command, press enter. Here it is, department and employee. Now you would be thinking how we can display the documents. To display documents in MongoDB, we use the find method. So we are inside the AmitDB and we have created two collection. Within that we have documents. To retrieve, db dot, write the collection name, Let's say our collection name is employee dot just mention find and press enter. You can see it is visible now. So here we added emp name and mi as a document key value pair. It automatically added object id, that means underscore id field. How and why? Because MongoDB automatically adds this. So this underscore id field gives uniqueness, adds a value under object id, which is a 12-byte bison type. This gets generated for every document and it's unique. So guys, in this way you can easily create database collections as well as documents in MongoDB. We added a database AmitDB. Under that we added two collections, which was department and employee, and we added documents in it. Now we also saw how we can query it. That means how we can display the entire collection. If you want to format it, you can use db.employee.find.pretty. This will format it. Press enter. Right now same is visible because we have added less number of records. Now let's say we need to display for the second collection, that means department. Then use the find again, press enter. Here it is. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create databases, collections and documents in MongoDB. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.